Welcome to How to Master Prompt Versioning with Claude. Today, you'll learn the essentials of maintaining consistency and managing versions in AI-generated content efficiently.
Ever wondered how AI-generated content maintains its quality and consistency? Welcome to our deep dive into how to master prompt versioning with Claude. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of prompt versioning, a crucial skill for anyone working with AI content. You'll learn how to manage and organize different versions of prompts efficiently using Claude, ensuring your AI's output remains top-notch. Stick around as we uncover strategies, best practices, and tools that will elevate your AI content management skills.
Prompt versioning is the practice of managing different iterations of prompts used in AI systems. It's akin to version control in software development but focused on the textual or coding prompts that guide AI behavior. This process ensures that changes in prompts are tracked, allowing you to maintain a history of modifications and revert to previous versions if needed. Versioning is crucial for ensuring consistency, especially when prompts are frequently updated to refine AI output. Claude, a tool designed for this purpose, offers robust solutions for maintaining prompt integrity and consistency. By using Claude, you can easily track changes, compare versions, and manage your prompt library effectively, ensuring your AI-generated content remains coherent and aligned with your goals.
Claude offers several benefits when it comes to prompt version control. First and foremost, it streamlines the process of tracking changes, making it easier to see who made what change and when. This transparency is invaluable for teams, facilitating better collaboration and communication. Moreover, Claude's intuitive interface allows for seamless comparison of different prompt versions, helping you quickly identify improvements or regressions in AI-generated content. By using Claude, you can enhance productivity by reducing the time spent on managing prompts manually. Additionally, Claude supports integrations with other tools, further boosting your prompt management efficiency. In summary, Claude not only helps maintain prompt consistency but also maximizes overall efficiency in AI content generation.
Creating a versioning strategy is essential for effective prompt management. Start by identifying the key prompts that require versioning, focusing on those that significantly impact your AI's output. Next, develop clear versioning goals aligned with your project objectives. Are you aiming to improve the clarity of AI responses, or perhaps streamline the update process? Once your goals are set, create a schedule for prompt reviews and updates. Regular reviews ensure that prompts remain relevant and aligned with evolving project needs. Additionally, consider setting up a system for logging changes, making it easier to track prompt evolution over time. By crafting a thoughtful versioning strategy, you'll ensure that your prompt management efforts are organized, efficient, and aligned with your broader objectives. Keeping your AI current requires regular prompt updates. Start by scheduling periodic reviews of your prompts to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Incorporate feedback from users and stakeholders to identify areas for improvement. Before finalizing any changes, test new prompts in a controlled environment to assess their impact on AI performance. Thorough documentation of updates is crucial, providing a clear history of what changes were made and why. This documentation not only aids in troubleshooting but also in training new team members. Finally, stay informed about the latest AI trends to ensure your prompts leverage cutting-edge techniques and insights. By adhering to these best practices, you'll keep your AI at the forefront of performance and reliability. Maintaining a log of changes is a cornerstone of effective prompt versioning. A detailed change log serves multiple purposes, from enhancing accountability to simplifying troubleshooting. By documenting every change, you create an audit trail that provides valuable insights into the evolution of your prompts. This transparency is crucial for team collaboration, ensuring everyone is aware of recent updates and their rationale. Tools like Claude offer built-in change tracking features, making it easy to maintain comprehensive logs. These logs not only aid in identifying the source of issues but also support compliance with industry regulations. By prioritizing change tracking, you'll foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement within your team.
Effective prompt versioning often requires a collaborative approach. Fostering a collaborative environment encourages team members to contribute their unique insights and expertise, enriching the quality of your prompts. Utilize collaborative tools like Claude to streamline communication and version management. These tools allow multiple team members to work on prompts simultaneously, balancing individual inputs with team goals. Open communication is key to resolving version conflicts and ensuring everyone is aligned with project objectives. Encourage regular meetings and feedback sessions to discuss changes and improvements. By adopting collaborative versioning approaches, you'll harness the collective knowledge of your team, leading to more robust and effective AI-generated content. Handling deprecated versions is a critical aspect of prompt management. Begin by identifying prompts that are no longer effective or relevant. Once identified, create a strategy for archiving these versions. Archiving not only frees up resources but also provides a valuable reference for future projects. Ensure that the transition from deprecated to updated versions is smooth by clearly communicating changes to your team and stakeholders. Leverage archived data to inform future prompt development, drawing lessons from past iterations. By effectively managing deprecated versions, you'll maintain a streamlined and efficient prompt library, ensuring your AI content remains cutting edge. Enhancing Claude's capabilities often involves integrating it with other tools and software. By doing so, you can automate many aspects of version control, freeing up time for more strategic tasks. Consider integrating Claude with project management and communication tools to improve workflow efficiency and ensure seamless information flow across your team. These integrations can expand your prompt management capabilities, allowing for more sophisticated tracking and analysis. Additionally, automation tools can streamline repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of human error and enhancing overall productivity. By leveraging these tools and integrations, you'll unlock Claude's full potential, transforming your prompt versioning process into a well-oiled machine. As we wrap up today's session on mastering prompt versioning with Claude, let's recap what we've learned. From understanding the basics of prompt versioning to creating effective strategies and leveraging tools for enhanced capabilities, you're now equipped to take charge of your AI content management. Remember, prompt versioning is not just about maintaining consistency, it's about elevating the quality of your AI's output. We encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced AI content strategies. Until then, happy versioning.